Wagwan people, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about why the PNP should not win the next election. But before I start, I want to jog on a memory a little bit. Who remember this?
After 15 months, I am convinced that the best efforts of the security forces by itself will not solve the crime problem in Jamaica. But it is going to take divine intervention, touching the heart of a wide cross-section of the society.
The party of divine intervention wants to come back into power. The PNP had 18 years to fix Jamaica, to put Jamaica on a path of prosperity. And instead what them do? Them sit on their hand. Right? Peter Bunting, him take the national security job, get in there after months. The man has said, boy, he put up his hand and divine intervention alone I go fix Jamaica crime problem. But look at Andrew Holness as a comparison. Andrew Holness understand that there is a problem, and Andrew Holness start give resources to the security forces. Andrew Holness invests in community building with the Zozos. Andrew Holness start deliver on reducing the crime rate. Andrew Holness then go in there and Dr. Horace Chang then go in there and say, oh boy, divine intervention alone are gonna lower Jamaica crime rate. They go in and they realize that, hey, we need better legislation. For example, the Firearms Act that Andrew Holness has passed and the Correctional Act. Right? He gave more resources to MOCA and CTAP. Those are solutions to problem. You understand? It's not about divine intervention, Mr. Bunting. It's not.